Are you ready to explore the intricacies of fatty liver, a mystery rife with health risks and potential harm? Yet, early detection and a healthy lifestyle can significantly diminish these dangers. Join us as we uncover science-backed strategies including diet, exercise, and preventive steps to rejuvenate and fortify your liver. Your support drives our mission to promote vitality and wellness. Consider subscribing, engaging with us, and sharing this insightful video to champion a healthier liver. Let's dive in. Fatty liver disease, FLD, stems from multiple factors, including poor dietary choices like saturated fats, fructose, and high corn syrup consumption, along with alcohol intake, viruses, medications, toxins, and accumulated waste byproducts. This condition progresses through several stages. 1. Simple fatty liver, steatosis. Initial stage characterized by fat buildup without inflammation or cell damage. 2. Non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH fatty liver with inflammation, increasing the risk of severe complications. 3. Fibrosis. Inflammation causes scarring in the liver tissue. Up to this stage the condition is still reversible. 4. Cirrhosis. Advanced scarring significantly impairs liver function, leading to critical complications and potential failure. This stage is irreversible. Symptoms of fatty liver disease, including itchy skin, abdominal discomfort, abdominal swelling, unexplained weight loss, fatigue, jaundice, and dark-colored urine, can indicate the condition. However, these signs may also point to other medical issues. Regular checkups and diagnostic tests, like blood tests, ultrasounds, MRIs, or liver biopsies, are crucial for timely detection and effective management. To effectively treat and reverse the effects of fatty liver, it's important to consume a well-rounded diet rich in essential nutrients. Some key nutrients include 1. Antioxidants. Richly present in vibrant fruits like berries and citrus, leafy greens such as spinach and kale, and nuts like walnuts and almonds, act as a protective fortress for your liver, shielding it from the assaults of toxins and daily stressors. With their arsenal of vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene, these compounds serve as robust defenders against oxidative stress. Additionally, the delightful presence of flavonoids in kiwi, pineapple, mango, apples, beetroots, and the soothing warmth of green tea brings potential anti-inflammatory benefits. These elements might combat liver inflammation and hinder fat accumulation, especially in conditions like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. 2. B vitamins, B2, B3, B6, B12, and folate. B vitamins are pivotal in liver detoxification. They serve as essential cofactors in enzymatic reactions within detox pathways, aiding the conversion of toxins into forms that the body can eliminate. These vital nutrients are readily available in whole grains, lentils, chickpeas, mushrooms, bananas, sweet potatoes, asparagus, nori seaweed, beef liver, and eggs. Vitamin D, abundant in fatty fish and sunlight exposure, plays a crucial role in liver health, with studies indicating its deficiency being associated with conditions like NAFLD. 3. Minerals. Selenium, richly available in Brazil nuts and seafood, fortifies your body's antioxidant defenses, shielding liver cells from the damaging effects of free radicals. Zinc, found in pumpkin seeds and lentils, supports both antioxidant roles and detoxification processes. Meanwhile, magnesium, sourced from spinach, almonds, cashews, and whole grains, bolsters antioxidant activity and vital enzyme functions for detoxification, promoting healthy liver cells and overall cellular well-being. 4. Sulfur-containing compounds. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts, belonging to the cruciferous veggie clan, pack sulfur compounds like glucosinolates, crucial for supporting phase 2 detox pathways in your liver. These vital compounds aid in efficiently neutralizing and removing toxins. Including these sulfur-rich veggies amps up your liver's detox prowess. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. Plentiful in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, as well as in sources like flax seeds and walnuts, these healthy fats serve as soothing balms for your liver. Their potent anti-inflammatory properties are crucial for maintaining liver health, effectively countering inflammation and supporting its overall well-being. 6. Monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFAs, found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds play a significant role in supporting liver health. Studies indicate that including MUFAs in your diet might reduce inflammation and aid in managing certain liver conditions. They may also help decrease liver fat accumulation, which proves beneficial for conditions like NAFLD. 7. Dietary fibers, abundant in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, are pivotal for liver health. They regulate digestion, maintain a healthy weight, and manage blood sugar levels and cholesterol, thus benefiting liver function. Insoluble fiber from wheat bran, and soluble fiber found in oats, legumes, and fruits, assist in eliminating waste products and toxins from the body, easing the liver's detoxification load. 8. Choline, sourced from foods like eggs, liver meat, and nuts, plays a crucial role in liver function. It aids in metabolizing fats, preventing their buildup in the liver and reducing the risk of NAFLD. Additionally, it's essential for cell structure and the production of compounds vital for overall liver health. 9. Glutathione precursors. Foods like avocados, asparagus, and spinach contain compounds such as L-asparagine, cysteine, glycine, and folates that serve as precursors for glutathione production. Glutathione, a potent antioxidant, plays a crucial role in neutralizing toxins and free radicals, supporting the liver's detoxification functions and promoting overall liver health. 10. Turmeric and ginger possess robust anti-inflammatory properties that significantly enhance liver health. Inflammation can impede the liver's detoxification abilities, yet these spices, containing curcumin and gingerols, actively reduce inflammation, promoting better liver function and overall well-being. 11. Milk thistle, famed for its active ingredient silymarin, is believed to safeguard liver cells. Silymarin's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties are thought to shield liver cells from harm caused by toxins or specific conditions. It's believed to reinforce the outer membranes of liver cells while inhibiting enzymes that could be detrimental. 12. Coffee. Moderate coffee intake can be beneficial for liver health, potentially lowering the risk of conditions like NAFLD, fibrosis, and cirrhosis. Compounds in coffee, such as caffeine and chlorogenic acid, are believed to combat inflammation and hinder liver fat accumulation. However, excessive coffee consumption might have adverse effects. Enjoying coffee in moderation is key for optimal benefits. 13. Water. Indeed, water is the cornerstone of liver health. It's essential for detoxification, aiding digestion, and nutrients absorption, while also regulating blood volume for optimal liver function. Drinking approximately 8 cups of water daily is pivotal for a healthy liver and overall bodily function. These nutrients are crucial for liver health and its numerous functions. Additionally, various methods aid in treating and reversing fatty liver disease, including 1. Avoid alcohol, saturated fats, trans fats, and refined sugar such as fructose and high corn syrup. They contribute to fat accumulation in the body. 2. Weight management strategies like gradual weight loss through intermittent fasting and cardio exercise such as a brisk 1-hour walk, 3 to 5 days a week, are beneficial. 3. Stress management through yoga and meditation. 4. Adequate sleep of 7 to 8 hours also aids in FLD management. Proactive changes in lifestyle, such as adjusting your diet and increasing physical activity, are fundamental in managing FLD. Taking these steps early can effectively stop FLD progression and support liver health. For more valuable content on healthy living, subscribe to our channel. Feel free to comment, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching.